Hello everyone. In the video, we are going to cover 5 best pellet smoker brands in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. For more info and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, make sure to check the links in the description below. Let's start. Number 1. Our best pick is Z-Grill's Pellet Grill and Amp Smoker. It's the best and easiest way to get wood-smoked flavors. Anyone will instantly realize the taste is better than a gas or charcoal grill. One button starts up. This pellet grill will maintain the preset temperature within 10 degrees fluctuation and produce the optimal amount of smoke, easy and steady. Features 700 inches of wide cooking space that allows you to place all at once and cook efficiently. 180 degrees to 450 degrees Fahrenheit adjustable temperature range gives you great flexibility for different food. The 20 pounds large capacity pellet hopper offers a longer cooking time, eliminating the need to refill the hopper constantly. High resistance to corrosion, longer lasting, with a sleek and polished finish. Cover included, no need to purchase separately, US-based brand. Number 2. Our second best pick is Camp Chef SmokePro DLX Smoker. This smoker comes with a unique design and complete black finish which adds elegance to your outdoor area. It has amazing features as well that include an ash cleanout system which makes cleaning much easier compared to others. Because of the temperature control system and auger work, it provides consistent and precise cooking experience. It comes with a temperature range between 160 to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. You can set the precise temperature effortlessly using the PID controller. The control system of this smoker is quite simple and easy to operate. Comes with 2 meat probes. It has a cord management and grease management system. A side attachment called sidekick or sear box is provided along with the smoker. Number 3. Our third best pick is Traeger Pellet Grill and Smoker. This is 6-in-1 mode of a smoking pellet grill. Can be used for grilling, cooking, baking, roasting, braising, barbecue, and also for smoking as well. Has a total cooking space of 884 square inches. To put things in perspective, it can accommodate up to 7 racks of ribs or maybe 8 chickens or maybe about 40 burgers. Comes with a precision temperature control option that will give you the ability to maintain the temperature and control it easily till a plus or 15 degrees Fahrenheit level. This enables you to grill perfectly. The Digital Pro controller enables easier and simpler control of the smoker with functions such as set and goes, etc. Made out of high quality and durable stainless steel metal. It is given a neat powder-coated finish that will make it easy to clean, maintain, and make sure it does not rust away easily. Has a total of 34 wood pellet capacity in all, and the hopper has a total of 18 pounds capacity. The porcelain grill grates enable for non-stick cooking and are very easy to clean post-cooking. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Cuisinart CPG 4000 Grill and Smoker. This versatile appliance is suitable for grilling, smoking, baking, roasting, braising, and barbecue. With a 2-tiered cooking grate, you can grill more food. It also has a fold which is handy for resting spices, serving ware, and other essential tools. It has a unique portable design which makes it easy to transport it from garage to deck or any other place easily. A handy grease bucket holder is provided where the hot grease can be collected. With precision temperature control, it can cook food slow, hot, and fast as per your requirement. It comes with a thermostat feature which maintains the heat temperature. It also adds the wood pellets automatically based on the heat requirement. Unlike gas grills, this pellet grill doesn't flare up causing a mess. The outer surface or cover is wind and water resistant. Number 5. Our fifth best pick is a smoke pellet grill and smoker. This 8-in-1 wood pellet grill and smoker can cater to all your favorite tastes, allowing direct or indirect grilling, and can cook barbecue, bake, roast, braise, smoke, sear, broil, and char grilled food to perfection. Innovative technology, this pellet smoker uses an advanced auto pellet feed system and temperature control system. The heating fan maintains the desired temperature from 180 degrees Fahrenheit to 500 degrees Fahrenheit for you. 15% faster than other pellet grills and saves up to 20% wood pellets. The smoker grill offers 484 SQIN. Main rack plus 216 SQIN. Insulation rack totaling 700 SQIN. Ideal for a large group outdoor cooking. Whopping 25. 8 pounds hopper capacity, ideal for continuous smoking. Easy to use, this barbecue smoker is easy to assemble. We have prepared 3 barbecue grill accessories for you: a waterproof grill cover, 2 precision tracking stainless steel meat probes, and heat-resistant gloves. Make sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.